reasoning. And when you talk about reasoning, what does that mean? What does it mean to reason something?
Makes sense. Make it rational.
To justify something?
To have an explanation.
Oh, there you go. Explanation. Justify. Make sense. All those are really part of this whole reasoning thing. And there's two types that the book talks about there. One of them is deductive and the other is inductive. Deductive. And the other one is inductive. And the difference between the twain would be deductive really is based on the laws or the rules. Okay. For example, where did they give us one? Where's an example of deductive reasoning? What is a law or a rule here? What is a law? You know, you have to drive 55 miles an hour. Is deductive reasoning. Driving 55. There is a law about that. There is a rule about that. Okay. Whereas inductive reasoning comes about when you observe something, an observed pattern. Okay, things that you just kind of can see. For example, what would be an observed thing that you can draw a conclusion about? Yeah, but you're looking for a pattern of things like, you know, if you're sitting in here, you're an 8th grade student. That's not a law. We don't have a law that most people that can be here in our 8th grade students, but you know, you are here because I observed that every time you come in here, if you're in this room, you're an 8th grader. It's not really a law or a rule, but as you look about you, you can see it. It says, and you can follow along with me here, the two statements form, a fruit, all fruit have seeds, and apple is a fruit. It says those two statements form an argument. The first statement is the premise, and the second statement is the conclusion. In deductive reasoning, if the argument is solid, the conclusion is guaranteed.
It's false because a pepper has seeds and it's not fruit. Nice.
But it doesn't say that. It says all fruits have seeds. It doesn't say everything that has a seed is a fruit.
This is all fruit seeds.
Right.
Why is a tomato considered a fruit?
That's not. You can't. Mary, you can't say the converse of everything. All fruits have seed doesn't mean that everything that has a seed is a fruit. You can't flip it around and say that the reverse of that's true.
Why do they say a tomato is a fruit?
I don't know, but that doesn't really matter to me.
Because it has seeds on the inside. That's why.
Peppers don't have seeds.
Yes, they do. They're on the
Somehow,
inside.